Hello friends! Get ready to experience the thrill of both land and water adventures with the 8x8 RC car. Designed for ultimate versatility, it effortlessly switches between land mode and water mode, ensuring non-stop action wherever you are. With an 8-wheel drive system, this off-road racing truck delivers powerful performance, built to conquer any terrain. From climbing hills to crossing ridges and racing through fields, the 8x8 RC car offers unparalleled traction and stability. This RC vehicle isn't just for driving, it's for performing. With 360-degree rotation and in-situ drift capabilities, you can pull off impressive stunts and maneuvers with ease. The robust wear-resistant off-road tires provide exceptional grip and smooth operation, even on challenging surfaces. Take the fun off the road and into the water with this fully waterproof Amphibious Stunt vehicle. Built to withstand the elements, you can race through rivers or splash through puddles without a hitch. Equipped with a 900 mAh large-capacity lithium battery, this RC car offers 25 to 30 minutes of continuous playtime. With concave and convex textured vacuum tires for increased grip and a rugged construction designed to withstand the rigors of off-road racing, this RC car is a perfect combination of speed, power, and durability.